Residents of Salvation Street in the highly commercial area of Ekpebi in Lagos were jolted by the sound of a helicopter crash this afternoon as business activities were gradually picking up. It was an unexpected incident that was shaping discussions for the rest of the day as crowds poured into the area to get a glimpse of the remains of the helicopter. The police says it's working to control the crowd.
By the end of today, I think this thing will be removed, depending on what they start seeing. So if this one is removed now, every other thing that comes that lives with it, so that's what we're taking care of. So by this time tomorrow, I know that this place is so much the normal way of life. So every human being, anything that happens is an accident. It was never planned, it was never prepared. Once something happens anywhere, you just alert all agencies immediately without any panic. At times, panic creates additional to disaster.
First responders at 16A Salvation Avenue, where the Bell helicopter crashed, say there were 3 passengers on board. 2 died while the other survived and is receiving treatment at a hospital. No one in the building was hurt.
We received a distress call in our command control center that there is a helicopter mishap. And immediately we activated the Lagos State Emergency Response Plan. All the key stakeholders moved to the scene. We have the ambulance services, we have the LASEMA, we have the fire, and we have the police being led by the Commissioner of Police. And with that, we are able to rescue one alive, and that person has been transferred to Lagos State Teaching Hospital, where he is receiving adequate treatment. But it is pertinent to note that we recovered 2 bodies. The 2 bodies have been deposited at the mortuary. Based on the investigation carried out, it was due to the impacts on these bodies that led to their mortalities.
The wreckage of the helicopter is moved out. The black box is recovered, while emergency officials dampen the premises with chemical to avoid an outbreak of fire. The owner of the building, an elderly woman, narrates her experience.
It happened that the thunder and the smoke and everything, under this one, there was the light was on. The light was on, and it's still on now. But all I have to do is to thank God.
The incident was first confirmed by the Accident Investigation Bureau. Then there was a tweet from the Chief Press Secretary to the Lagos State Governor, who gave casualty figures. Sources from the Federal Ministry of Aviation identified the aircraft as a Bell 206, owned by Quorum Aviation. Reports say the 2 crew members and 1 passenger on board the helicopter had flown into Lagos State from Port Harcourt, the River State capital.